Hello and welcome back with another question of calculus. In this calculus problem, we have this parabolic uh, figure whose equation is equal to y is equal to x square. We have to find the area under this parabola y is equal to x square from x is equal to 0 which is starting from 0 and ending at x is equal to 2. So by using x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2, by using the integration rule, we have to find the area under this parabola. So for finding the area, we know that first step is area by using integration is equal to 0 or a to b function of f of x dx. Here in this equation we have a is equal to lower limit, which is 0, and b is equal to upper limit, which is 2. So this is the area we have to find, and by using the integration, and f of x is the function which is equal to x square. So we will write area is equal to 0 to 2 and then x square dx. Now we will apply integration rule. For any number having power n, is integration is equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is the rule we have to follow when we will apply the integration. For this we have this x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x square 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 or n plus 1. Here we have 2, here we have 0. Now area A is equal to x cube divided by 3 with limit 2 and 0. Now we will put the values of these limits. 2 cube divided by 3 minus lower limit divided by 3, and we will solve it. It comes out to be 8 by 3 minus 0, and area under this parabolic curve is 8 by 3 square units, whatever the units are, meter, centimeter or others. So this is the way to solve a parabolic equation or parabolic form of a graphical figure whose area we have find out by using this technique or this method. So we have used this area is equal to a upper limit b f of x into dx. We have these two limits. A is equal to 0, so because parabola is starting from 0 and ending at the upper limit 2. So in this covered area we are going to find the area of this parabola. So f of x is equal to x square. By putting this x square dx, then we know that this rule, if we use the integration, then something power n is equal to x to the power n divided by n plus 1. Similarly, we did same thing here, x raised to the power 2 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 3. So x cube divided by 3 with limits 2 and 3. Then we put these limits, x cube divided by 3 minus 0. Then we comes up with the area 8 by 3. So that's the way to find the area under a parabolic by using the integration rule. Thanks for watching.